solve this equation. The original equation can be written as 9 to the power of 1 over x plus 6 to the power of 1 over x equals 4 to the power of 1 over x. By dividing both sides of the equation by 4 to the power of 1 over x, we have 9 over 4, 4 to the power of 1 over x, plus 6 over 4, 4 to the power of 1 over x, equals 1. 9 over 4 can be written as 3 over 2 all squared. 6 over 4 can be written as 3 over 2. Power of a power rule, a to the power of m, or to the power of n, equals a to the power of mn. So now we can write 3 over 2, or to the power of 2 over x, plus 3 over 2, or to the power of 1 over x, equals 1. Let 3 over 2, or to the power of 1 over x, equal t. T is greater than 0. We have t squared plus t minus 1 equals 0. So t equals minus 1 plus minus root 5 over 2. T equals minus 1 plus root 5 over 2, as t is greater than 0. Substitute equation 2 in equation 1. We have 3 over 2, all to the power of 1 over x, equals minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. Take natural log on both sides of the equation. Power rule for logarithms. Log to the base b x to the power of n can be written as n log to the base b x. So we can now write 1 over x ln 3 over 2 equals ln of minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. So x equals ln of 3 over 2 over ln of minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. Change of base formula. Log to the base ba equals log to the base ka over log to the base kb. So x equals log to the base minus 1 plus root 5 over 2, 3 over 2. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.